Have you ever thought that eating out could actually save you money? It might sound counterintuitive, but dining out can offer surprising financial benefits that often go unnoticed. Many people assume that cooking at home is the most economical choice, but when you break down the costs, you might find a different story. First, consider the expenses associated with home cooking: groceries, kitchen supplies, and the time spent preparing meals. When you eat out, especially at budget-friendly restaurants or during happy hours, you can enjoy a delicious meal without the hassle of shopping and cooking. Plus, many eateries offer deals and discounts that can make dining out more affordable than you think. Another surprising aspect is portion sizes. Restaurants often serve larger portions, which can mean leftovers for another meal, effectively stretching your dollar further. So, if you're looking to save money while enjoying a variety of cuisines, dining out might just be the way to go. Stick around as we dive deeper into how you can make the most of your dining experiences without breaking the bank. Understanding the cost of home cooking. When we think about the cost of home cooking, we often focus solely on grocery bills. However, there are several hidden expenses that can add up quickly. First, consider the cost of utilities. Cooking at home requires energy for appliances like stoves and ovens, which can increase your monthly bills. Next, let's talk about time. Preparing meals from scratch can take a significant amount of time, from shopping for ingredients to cooking and cleaning up afterward. When you factor in the value of your time, the cost of home-cooked meals can rise dramatically. Now, let's compare this to dining out. While the price of a restaurant meal may seem higher at first glance, it often includes the convenience of not having to shop, cook, or clean. Additionally, food waste is a major factor in home cooking costs. Many people buy ingredients that end up spoiling before they're used, leading to unnecessary expenses. When you add up groceries, utilities, time, and waste, the true cost of home cooking can be surprisingly high, making dining out a more appealing option for many. One of the best-kept secrets to saving money while dining out is taking advantage of special deals and discounts that restaurants frequently offer. For instance, happy hour specials are a fantastic way to enjoy delicious food and drinks at a fraction of the regular price. Many establishments offer discounted appetizers and beverages during specific hours, making it an ideal time to gather with friends without breaking the bank. Additionally, many restaurants have designated discount days, such as Taco Tuesdays or Wing Wednesdays, where you can indulge in your favorite dishes at reduced prices. These promotions can significantly lower your dining expenses while allowing you to try new menu items. Loyalty programs are another great way to save money for frequent diners. By signing up for these programs, you can earn points for every dollar spent, which can later be redeemed for free meals or exclusive discounts. Lastly, don't overlook the power of mobile apps designed to find deals on meals. Many apps aggregate local restaurant promotions, helping you discover the best offers in your area. With these strategies, dining out can be both enjoyable and budget-friendly. Portion control and leftovers. One of the often overlooked benefits of dining out is the advantage of portion control and the potential for leftovers. Many restaurants serve generous portions that can easily be shared among friends or family. This not only allows you to enjoy a variety of dishes but also helps prevent overeating, as you can savor smaller amounts of multiple meals. When you choose to dine out, you also sidestep the issue of overbuying groceries that may spoil before you have a chance to use them. Cooking at home often leads to purchasing ingredients in bulk, which can result in waste if you don't use everything in time. Instead of cooking again, you can simply reheat your delicious takeout, saving both time and money. This makes dining out not just a treat but a practical choice that can stretch your budget further while keeping your meals varied and enjoyable. Social benefits of eating out. Dining out offers more than just a meal. It provides valuable social interactions and experiences that can enhance our lives. Sharing a meal with friends or family fosters connections and strengthens relationships. Whether it's a casual lunch or a celebratory dinner, these moments create a sense of togetherness that is hard to replicate at home. One of the financial perks of dining out in a group is the ability to split the bill. This not only makes dining more affordable for everyone involved but also allows you to enjoy a wider variety of dishes without stretching your budget. When you share meals, you can sample different flavors and cuisines, making the dining experience even more enjoyable. Moreover, the memories created during these outings often last a lifetime. Celebrating milestones, catching up on life, or simply enjoying each other's company over a delicious meal can be far more meaningful than a home-cooked dinner. The ambiance of a restaurant, the laughter shared, and the stories exchanged contribute to unforgettable experiences that enrich our lives. So, the next time you consider dining out, remember the social benefits that come along with it. Convenience factor. One of the most compelling reasons to consider dining out is the convenience it offers, which can ultimately save both time and money. When you choose to eat at a restaurant, you eliminate the time spent on meal preparation and cooking. This means no chopping, no stirring, and no waiting for the oven to preheat. Plus, you can skip the cleanup afterward, allowing you to spend your time on activities you truly enjoy. This convenience can also help reduce impulse spending on groceries. When life gets busy, it's easy to buy more than you need, leading to waste and unnecessary expenses. By opting to eat out, you can avoid the temptation of stocking up on items that may spoil before you have a chance to use them. Additionally, dining out provides quick meal options that are perfect for hectic schedules. Whether you're grabbing a quick lunch between meetings or enjoying a fast dinner after a long day, restaurants often offer meals that are ready in no time. This not only saves you precious minutes but also ensures you're well fed without the stress of cooking, making it a smart choice for busy lifestyles. In summary, dining out can offer several financial benefits that often surpass the costs associated with cooking at home. From enjoying generous portions that can be shared to taking advantage of special deals and discounts, eating out can be a budget-friendly option. We've also highlighted the social advantages of sharing meals with friends and family, creating lasting memories that enhance our dining experiences. By choosing to eat out, you save time on cooking and cleaning, while also reducing impulse spending on groceries that may go to waste. Quick meals during busy schedules can make life easier and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might also benefit from these tips. Your engagement helps us create more content that can assist you in making informed dining choices. Thank you for watching, and happy dining!